Alright guys, welcome back again to my channel. Still your boy Prince TV. If this is your first time to come across to this particular platform, don't just fail to hit that red subscribe button so that anytime I post a video, you go see how it happen. Not forget, I was see the matter, so now so to the table I'm gonna see how it they play. Alright, so without wasting time, I'll give you a particular update when I get for now, because most times I dey tell and say this Giuseppe Conte when I already talk about na person when he be like say he love immigrants, but most people when I not understand that they change the story to another way around. Now he don't call her change say as it be immigrants will be like say they for country, they need to get documents, they go get work where they do. You understand? May not be like so just they start the issue for you. So without wasting time, more enter inside, more see as it happen. Alright, so now know say Giuseppe Conte, which is the Prime Minister of Italy, this man one they see for here now, so don't already win. We know they repeat, may not be like so they repeat this news, and I don't know how it did happen. But as it be, the matter not ended. The Matteo Renzi will be like say he go make this man go suffer, go they follow this risk when he go to do this vote for Senate. Don't call that change when they tell particular Matteo this particular Giuseppe Conte say if him want make he come back again to work with them, say he still dey ready. Guy, when I listen to that particular news, when I see the update, now say we not just want you again because man I not come pause our stand for Agari, because now Giuseppe Conte already they prepare one or two things when he go to do for we the immigrant, like say we do for the countryside. The story not still end there, so the Bellanova put the picture. This lady one that they see for her now, so now call the regret say Renzi now go make and go resign for the government, all those kind of stuff. Guy, when I they see your pattern when they now say now so it go be confusion must there for who don't want make people go forward. You understand? Because say for life, I first talk this thing for my last video. Anything where you do, it go still come back to you. So no matter how, whatever that turns around will still goes around. Man, understand? So now this Bellanova now come the couch change for Matteo Renzi. Say everything when it costs now. At the end of the day, they're not gonna go vote, they get new government. But it can't be like saying that Giuseppe Conte can still defeat them. Guy, if you see the way when this woman Conte they regret, you go really know say you need to think something before you go to do them. Because this Renzi be just do his issue, maybe like say he go bring this man come down so that they will go form another party in order to bring Salvini and the rest, may they go do election. But as God may have it, it didn't come fail. You understand? Alright, so may not be like say I just they talk the issue for you now. So say for the last video when I do think when I was on live video, when I come to explain give and I say okay fine, this particular Giuseppe Conte now person when he be like say he love immigrants, but most of them are not just know so. Now in the color chain when he can't talk one of the video, so I tell and say I must show now this video more now for see what I try to explain. In the color now when they talk say immigrants when they be like say they for Italy, then Matteo Salvini party they look us as problem to the country. But Giuseppe Conte now can't call that chain, can't come and they talk say immigrants when they be like say they for Italy here now, so there not be problem to anything, and then to close the border make them not they arrive again, not go solve the problem of immigration for Italy. Say what go solve the problem of immigration for Italy, now to give the immigrant documents, give them work what they go to do, so that the government go still even benefit the tax when it be like say now they go to contribute. May not be like saying I may just the reason this matter for here now. So for those of you when it be like saying I never see Giuseppe Conte, we are for the reason this matter now. So oh yeah, check it.
E noi lavoreremo perché potrà offrire, riproducendolo, a migliaia di giovani africani il lavoro con mutuo beneficio, e così andremo a risolvere concretamente il problema dell'immigrazione, non con lo slogan porto chiuso. E noi lavoreremo perché potrà offrire, riproducendolo, a migliaia di giovani africani il lavoro con mutuo beneficio, e così andremo a risolvere concretamente il problema dell'immigrazione, non con lo slogan porto chiuso.
Una dosa mabi? So na sorry matter take play now, so because if I dey talk and say Giuseppe Conte he get heart for immigrants, and most people they tell me say no, he not get heart for immigrants. So this video go make una understand wetin be the motive of this man. You understand? So as it be, make it try really the way they get the experience. Make they try to kind of like give document to people like say they dey for the countryside, because person go there for country at least maximum of 2 years, 5 years. the documents when I won't give the person don't spend more than that year pass. You understand? So all these things are something when people like say they really need to come to their attention to know that, you know, immigrants who have lived here for a very long time need to get documents. You understand? Because we will check all this matter now. So every time they try to craft this issue, more people for the understand. But at the end, I find out say most people not the understand. How person go there for inside country when you dey? The country you dey buy food. For the country, you dey do everything. You not get anything when you dey do. You just dey live like other Italians the way they are living. But they go to continue to give the person 6 months sojourner, 6 months sojourner, 6 months sojourner. That person, all those things when they do for inside the country, they contribute to the economy. So, in as far that person is able to leave the country, at least within a maximum of 1 year without committing crime, there should be a well-funded document for that particular person. So now be all those kind of like idea when Giuseppe Conte they get, you know, immigrants, African Giovanni need to kind of like get work where they do for the Italian side. In order to get work, now for you to get document, because if you not get document, to get the work it dey hard. Now make I talk and say, if this one not there, this one go there. At least make the government to try to kind of like bring out 1 or 2 things to benefit immigrants. More know how it could they play. You understand? So now so the issue take happen. Now Sisema let una know how it they play. You understand? Alright, so without wasting time, we'll go straight to another news. Most as it happen. Finally, they already put the Joe Biden of America as the president of America. You understand? Because, you know, this particular Donald Trump tried to kind of like do 1 or 2 things, but at the end of the day, the constitution say now the Joe Biden I can win the election. You understand? Because now they don't already inaugurate this man to be the president of the country. The something when I say sweet me for where the Joe Biden day, you know, this man is trying to like state that, you know, in this new administration, they will try to kind of like give out documents or kind of like give permits to immigrants who are staying there in the country. Guys, we'll watch more see how it will happen because, you know, most of these leaders, they just try to use some of things that will kind of like attract people's hearts to campaign. At the end of the day, we not go see anything. I make you sound say, especially for my country, if they want to do election, they'll go pack some poo for everywhere. Say they want tie road. Once they don't do the election finish for where they send them, it go still remain for that place. So more see what Joe Biden go do for the administration when they talk say go do well for immigrants. You understand? So for those of them when they be like so I never see where you gonna make one of the speech for the inauguration, all those kind of stuff. Oh yeah, check it.
This is America's day. This is democracy's day. A day of history and hope, of renewal and resolve. Through a crucible for the ages, America has been tested anew, and America has risen to the challenge. Today, we celebrate the triumph not of a candidate, but of a cause, the cause of democracy. The people, the will of the people, has been heard, and the will of the people has been heeded. We've learned again that democracy is precious. Democracy is fragile. And at this hour, my friends, democracy has prevailed.
Now don't say Amabi. So now so it happen. I know say this particular news not be something where we need to blog, not be something where be like say I need to blog. I'm all of I don't see I'm there for YouTube everywhere. You understand? So now so the matter happen. Now I give my own point of view for that. So because you know all these European Union, all these European countries, and most of these leaders, all these our European leaders, they need to systemize immigrants when they for their country because I know who they blame them. It to say our African leaders try to make our place they okay. Nobody go when they come here when they say they find asylum, this, that, and that. Now make they talk and say if we do video when concern our African leaders, more try to share them. Make them still they see how things still they solve. You understand now? So now so the issue take happen now see my let know how everything still they play. So you when you be like say never subscribe, try to subscribe and then tell me what you think about this Matteo Renzi because now Matteo Renzi is trying to like kind of like beg or come back again to join with Giuseppe Conte because he stated that you know if Giuseppe Conte still want the Italian Viva to come and join them, they are still available, all those kind of stuff. So maybe let me know what you think for that point of view If na to go join them again, it makes sense. May let me know for the comment section. If it not make sense, may still let me know for the comment section. And you'll stay blessed. Till next time, I remain your boy Prince TV. Sometimes we bring our news like this. We'll just talk and stay up and understand. Alright, so till next time, we remain your boy Prince TV. Ciao.
Yeah.